Hello friends, today is Friday. Actually it's 1st of September. Didn't vlog today because it was crazy day, but just got packaged my magnesium. This one running out, so I got new one from Amazon. It's here. So there's 120 pills. So here's 120 pills, and it's good for anxiety. And it's calming, relaxing, and gentle. It is $20 on Amazon. So I've got this, and to have free shipping I've got this thing which was $2. This is the thing for pull. You put here Clorox pill, but the Clorox tablet, and then that Clorox go around and this floating. But this maybe I will use next year, because this year soon I'm gonna close my pool. And also I got this Clorox spa water. Have to be careful. Clorox spa water clarifier helps clear the hazy and cloudy water. But I also don't know. Maybe I try it out yet before I stop the pool. If not, then next year. So I've got this Clorox water clarifier, and it says 2 small spoons for 500 or 300 gallons. 2 tablespoons for 300 gallon. Right here. Maybe I try out, I don't know. Yeah, so that's my mini haul. And the next things I've got I will show you tomorrow, because I've got something on H&M. So I have to film, and I have to finish my Victoria's Secret pink unboxing, because still didn't film it, because it's so hot all the time and I'm tired of that weather. It's hard to try on things when it's humid, and even filming haul is hard when it's hot. So yeah, see you later, bye. Hello friends, today is 2nd of September, and yesterday was raining and we have here now water coming down. But today I'm walking in my Dr. Martens Jadons. So I'm walking in Dr. Martens Jadons. First time this year, I mean this season. So first time in the fall, because it was sunny and hot, so in hot days I cannot wear them, but now it's finally cooler. Today's 70s it was, and now it's a little cooler, even in 60s. So I walk in my Dr. Martens, but they still not fully break in because I didn't had opportunities or didn't walk in them so much, so I'm afraid they will give me some blisters. Hope not. And I'm wearing them with slouchy socks from Amazon. So outfit of the day. Victoria's Secret pink backpack. This one. Hoodie from Victoria's Secret pink. This one. Gray one. Today jeans wherever I feel warm in them, and these are my new Primark jeans, but it says in them, on them, they are also from denim and CO. So Primark runs denim and CO. And today I'm going there because I want to catch sunrise. I want to catch sunset, not sunrise. So I'm walking and I see that it will be nice sunset today. Over clouds. So I hope it will be visible. Maybe I cross yeah, sun, oh so nice. See, it's nice sunset. Now sun between trees. Oh, now it's nice. Do you see it? And here is lake, reservoir today. And there is the sunset. So today will be nice. And I'm wearing those Jadons. Not hide it behind trees. Maybe I do a few pictures here. Driving past. And the sun is gone behind. So I came too late. A few minutes because it's 7:08 and now it's too low. So I'm not gonna see it anymore unless I go higher. That's a bummer. And here is the pink sky too. But I will show you my outfit of the day once more time. Here are my jeans. I don't know. Are you able to see? These are Primark jeans. Martens Jadons. With slouchy socks from Amazon. So yeah, it's 7:10 and it's already getting dark. So far so good, right? Dr. Martens Jadon didn't give me yet hard times, but it's a little stiffer than I would expect. I will maybe cross the street and film here. See, nice lake. And fall coming in to Massachusetts. Maybe we'll do more pictures near the end of this fence. Maybe when I will see more of the sky, because now it's hard to see. Okay. See, nice here. Overs. Nice in here. Camera not even do all beauty of nature. In Rio it's a little more pink, more vivid. Okay, I'm heading home as it's getting dark. But here is nice view on the sky, but sun is low now. So I'm heading home. Here is view on me. Fall, guys, fall coming in. We have to prepare. And then winter. It's still summer till 20th of September or 21st.